Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn possessive adjectives in German. So there are two types of possessives, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So we will talk about only possessive adjectives in this video. So let us learn possessive adjectives. So what are possessive adjectives? So possessive adjectives are words such as my, your, his, her. Sometimes these words are called possessive articles or possessive determiners. These determiners come in front of a noun, for example, my book, your name. So here my and your are possessive adjectives because they are modifying the noun. In possessive adjectives, determiners must agree with the noun in terms of gender and number. Means if we have different gender, we have to use different possessive adjective for that. And if we have different number, means singular or plural, we have to use different possessive adjective with that. For example, for masculine noun, if we have a masculine noun, we have to use mine. For neuter noun also, we have to use mine. So for masculine and neuter, both noun we have to use mine. And for feminine and plural, we have to use minor. We have to just add e to mine. Let us see first what are the possessive adjectives. For ish, in masculine or neuter noun, we have here mine. And for feminine and plural, we have to use minor for my. If we use my father, so we have to use mein Vater. And if we use my mother, we have to use meine Mutter. It depends on the gender of the noun. Du, dein, deine, your, er, sein, seine, his, es, sein, seine, its, sie, ihr, ihre, her, and sie. This is formal ihr, ihre, your, sie, ihr, ihre, their. You can see here, ear is used for three pronouns sie, and sie. Wir, unser, unsere, our, ihr, euer, eure, and your. It is your. Let us see some examples here. Mein Vater is Lehrer. Mein Vater because Vater is masculine. So masculine for masculine noun we have to use mein. My father is a teacher. Dein Bruder is Arzt. Your brother is doctor. Sein Lehrer is intelligent. His teacher is intelligent. Ihr Freund ist nett. Your or her friend is nice. Unser Computer ist kaputt. Unser means our. Our computer is broken. And euer Hund ist schnell. Your dog is fast. Euer means your. Your means we are talking to the group of people in informal way. Let us understand again them. Ihr friend ist nett, Herr Schneider. Your friend is nice, Mr. Snyder. If we are talking to our elders, that time in formal way, we have to use ihr friend, your friend. Ihr Freund ist nett. Her friend is nice. And euer Hund ist schnell. Tim und Anna. Your dog is fast, Tim and Anna. With neuter noun also, we will use mein. For example, mein Kind ist Lehrer. My child is a teacher. Dein Buch ist toll. Your book is great. Sein Haus ist groß. His house is big. Ihr Pferd ist weiß. Your, her or their horse is white. Unser Hund ist schwarz. Our dog is black. Euer Wohnzimmer ist klein. Your living room is small. Now let us see with feminine nouns. With feminine nouns, we just have to add e to mine. and it becomes meine. Meine Schrift ist klar. My handwriting is clear. Ist deine Antwort endgültig? Is your answer final? Seine Katze ist braun. His cat is brown. Ihre Familie ist groß. Your, her or their family is big. Unsere Oma ist alt. Our grandmother is old. Eure Beziehung ist schön. Your relationship is beautiful. Now in plural noun also we will use meine. Meine Freunde sind alt. My friends are old. Deine Antworten sind falsch. Your answers are wrong. Seine Schuhe sind schmutzig. His shoes are dirty. Ihre Kinder sind schlau. Your, her or their kids are smart. Unsere Bücher sind alt. Our books are old. Eure Häuser sind neu. Your houses are new. Now if we use possessive adjectives after be. For example, du bist mein Gast. You are my guest. Ist dein Vater. He is your father. And sie sind ihr Lehrer. You are their or her teacher. Ist ihr Lehrer. He is your, their or her teacher. For neuter noun, du bist mein Kind. You are my child. Das ist dein Pferd. This is your horse. Es ist sein Buch. It is his book. Ihr seid mein Leben. You are my life. Du bist meine Freundin. It is in feminine noun. Du bist meine. Meine for feminine noun. Du bist meine Freundin. You are my friend. Sie ist deine Tochter. She is your daughter. Sie ist seine Chefin. She is his boss. Seine is his. Ich bin ihre Studentin. I am your or her student. Let us see in plural nouns. Sie sind meine Kinder. They are my kids. Sie sind meine Kinder. Ihr seid unsere Frauen. You are our wives. Sie sind meine Söhne. They are my sons. Ist sie eure Mutter? Is she your mother? So I hope you have understood how to use possessive adjectives in German. So we'll talk about possessive pronouns in next video. So till then, tschüss.